Hi there, carving champs! Welcome back to the demo session where we turn blocks of wax into works of art. Today, we are tackling a masterpiece, the Premolar Tooth 1-4. Whether you are a dental wizard in training or someone who just loves to carve, this is your moment. We will cover every detail step by step. No stress, just fun. So grab your tools, your favorite snack, because we will need some energy for this, and let's carve magic. Before we jump in, let me introduce you to our dream team of tools. We have got the trusty marker for sketching our toothy dreams, a ruler, a wax knife, lacquer cover, and of course the star of the show, the wax block. If you have got these all, you are ready to roll. Alright, time to get our wax block party started. Like usual, student, take your ruler and marker. We're slicing this block into 3 fabulous sections. The first one is the base, a chic 0.5 centimeter, the crown, a stunning 1.4 centimeter, and lastly the root. What's ever left, because roots deserve freedom too. Now, grab that marker and draw horizontal lines around all sides. Make it neat, make it clear, and make it fabulous. Next up, giving our wax block some personality. Level each side with buccal, palatal, mesial, and distal. Like usual, students, you know that. Think of this as the stage of direction for our carving performance. Got it? Great. Let's keep going. Now, we are sketching the star of the show, Premolar Tooth 1-4. Start on the buccal side, then move to the mesial, distal, and palatal. The pro tip here, the premolar has 2 cups, like 2 tiny mountains. Make sure they are aligned on the midline. This is the tooth secret to looking fabulous. Keep your lines confident and your hands steady. You're an artist, and this is your canvas. Time to carve, students. Let's start with the crown. Use your wax knife to shave off the extra wax on the mesial and distal sides first. It's like giving the block a little haircut. Remember, slow and steady wins the carving race. Next up, the root section. We are trimming down the wax on the mesial and distal sides. Think of this as sculpting the two foundation. Strong, smooth, and stylish. Don't rush. Let the root reveal itself to you. Let's return to the mesial and distal sides, students. On the mesial and distal sides, draw an outline of the tooth general shape. Ensure that the shape tapers slightly toward the cervical region. Here I tell you, the crown morphology of a premolar tooth on the mesial and distal side show distinct differences actually. The mesial side has a more pronounced cervical line curvature, often exhibit a mesial developmental depression near the cervical region, especially in maxillary first premolar, the thing that we are doing right now, and features a higher and more defined mesial marginal ridge, sometimes crossed by a mesial marginal groove. In contrast, the distal side has a flatter cervical line, a smoother and more uniformly convex surface, and a lower, less prominent distal marginal ridge without developmental groove. Overall, the mesial side is more angular and detailed, while the distal side is more rounded and simpler in contour. On this part, use a carver to gently shave the wax along the mesial and distal outline. Here's a secret: carve vertically while maintaining the slight curvature of these surfaces. While you carve the distal side, you are actually shave down all the wax on the buccal and palatal sides as well. So let's focus on the palatal and buccal sides of the crown. Now let's talk about the morphology. The buccal side has a more prominent ridge while the palatal side slopes gently, kind of like a hill meeting a valley. Use your wax knife to shape these contours. Here's a tip: hold your tool at an angle to create smooth natural curve. And for those tiny grooves, that is where the lacquer cover shines. Don't be afraid to check your work frequently because symmetry is the goal, and every little adjustment brings us closer. Now, grab your lacquer cover for some delicate outlining of the occlusal surface. Carefully trace the shape of the premolar, focusing on its unique morphology. Here's you need to remember something. The occlusal surface is all about the functionality and design. So, notice the slight curvature on the distal side? This is the key to the premolar's natural shape and alignment. Once the outline is clear, start carving those intricate grooves and ridges. Pay close attention to the transition between cups. This area is crucial for the tooth chewing efficiency. You need to use gentle strokes to refine the crown until it's perfectly shaped. Take your time. This is where precision meets artistry. It's time to carve the occlusal surface, students. The crown stage where all the action happen. This is where we create those signature two cups. The buccal cups is taller and sharper, designed to crush food, while the palatal cups is slightly shorter and rounded, perfect for grinding. Use your wax knife to gently remove wax between the cups to define them. Pro tip here, work from the midline outward, carving small groove for added detail. Switch to the lacquer cover for the finer touches. Precision is key here. This is where your tooth truly comes to life. Now let's bring those roots to life, starting carving the mesial and distal side of the roots, then proceed with palatal buccal sides. The buccal root tends to be straighter, while the palatal root often curves slightly toward the distal side. Use your wax knife to carefully trim and shape the wax, making sure the root tapers smoothly toward the ends. Don't forget to add indentation along the sides to mimic the natural groove found in real roots. Here's tips. Use the pointed end of the lacron cover to create fine, realistic details. The root should look natural and functional, like they are ready to anchor the stove in place. Next up, let's refine the distal slope of the crown. Using your lacron cover, gently shape the slope to match the natural contour of the premolar. Carve along the sides of the crown to define the segmento-enamel junction. Remember, the CEJ is subtle, so lightly mark it with your cover before shaping it with precision. At this part, students, switch your focus to the palatal side, carving it into a distinct V shape. Again, V-shape, students, that aligns with the tooth natural morphology. The V shape is crucial for proper articulation. So here, take your time and make it shine. Let's make the occlusal surface pop. Use your Lacron cover to carefully create the central curve, which separates the two cups. Then, gently carve the fossa, a small depression that adds realism to the tooth chewing surface. Did you know the fossa plays a key role in guiding food during chewing? Amazing, right? Work slowly and refine the details until the occlusal surface looks picture perfect. We are nearing the finish line. Let's revisit the cemento enamel junction. Mark it lightly with your Lacron cover. No pressure needed. Then, carefully carve to refine this transition area between the crown and roots. Once done, shift your focus to the roots again. So here, for the very final steps, you can add indentation to mimic natural groove, ensuring that the roots looks anatomically correct. Remember Premolars typically have two roots, so give them the extra attention to details. Here's I'll give you a tip. You can use short, controlled strokes for maximum precision. And here our premolar tooth 1-4 is complete. Look at that beauty. I'm so proud of you for sticking with me until the end. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and share your creation with me. It's time for a quality check. You may spin that tooth around and admire it from every angle. Are the cups popping? Is the symmetry on point? If yes, congrats, you have done tooth 1-4. Until next time, stay creative and keep carving.